So Instagram is now allowing you to add music to your Instagram notes. So what you need to do is to go to your messages and you need to select add notes. So from there it is pretty simple. You'd need to look for the music icon. Now this won't be available for everyone, however, you'll simply need to tap on the music icon, and once you tap on the icon it will allow you to search for various music. So all you'd have to do is to search for the song you'd want to use. And once you find that artist, you could simply edit the portion of the song that you'd want to add to your notes. So let's go ahead and search for Adele here. And once you find the song, as I've said, you could select the part of the song that you'd want to use. You could also add a little note to the post as well. So that's basically how to go about adding music to your Instagram notes. So thank you for watching. Hope this video was helpful. Hacker 777 out.